How to view your orders on Costco. Viewing your orders on Costco allows you to track your purchases and manage your account efficiently, so follow these steps to see your orders on Costco. Open your web browser and sign into your account. After signing in, click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the page, and from the drop-down menu select Orders or Order History. Click on it and you may find this option in the account settings or dashboard. Costco will display a list of your recent orders so we can review details such as the order date, order number, items purchased, order status, and tracking information. Click on a specific order to view detailed information, including individual item details, shipping address, delivery method, and order total. If your order has not been delivered yet, you can track its status by clicking on the tracking information provided. This will redirect you to the courier's website where you can monitor the shipment's progress. If needed, you can print or download a receipt for any of your past orders by selecting the respective option provided. By following these steps, you can easily view your orders on Costco website and stay updated on your current purchases. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.